Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get more Vanguard coins in MLBB. To start, Vanguard coins are a special currency you can earn and spend within the game. The main way to acquire them is by actively participating in certain game modes. These modes often include events or specific daily tasks that reward players for their engagement. It's important to understand which activities yield the most coins to maximize your earnings. Let's dive into the details of how you can consistently boost your coin balance. The most reliable method for accumulating Vanguard coins is by diligently completing your daily quests. These quests refresh regularly and often provide a steady stream of coins. Additionally, keep an eye out for limited-time events, as these frequently offer significant bonus coin rewards for participation. Some specific arcade modes within the game also grant Vanguard coins upon completion, so exploring different game types can be beneficial. Consistency in playing these modes is key to increasing your coin stash. Once you've gathered a good amount of Vanguard coins, it's time to spend them wisely. You can exchange these coins in the in-game shop for valuable items like hero fragments, which help unlock new heroes. They are also crucial for purchasing emblem fragments, essential for upgrading your emblems and boosting your hero's stats. Always check the shop regularly for new offerings and prioritize items that best support your gameplay and hero development. Make every coin count towards your progress. To truly maximize your Vanguard coin earnings, always prioritize quests and events that offer the highest coin rewards. Forming a team with friends can also help you complete tasks more efficiently, potentially earning more coins in less time. Remember, consistent play across various modes is the best strategy for a growing coin balance. Before you go, make sure to check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.